Who doesn't love a fresh cup of coffee? When it's easy to make it home just the way you want it without extra time or effort, it's so much better. With our Deluxe Coffee Machine, you can elevate your at-home coffee and enjoy a delicious drink made the way you like it. It comes with 3 inserts that each have their own specific pressure, temperature, and flow rate to ensure a smooth, balanced brew every time. With the ground coffee insert, you can use your favorite blend. The Nespresso insert gives you an intense, flavorful espresso. Use it for all your favorite cafe-style drinks. And the K-Cup insert lets you go beyond coffee with hot chocolate, tea, and more. You can pick from 6 different sizes. The adjustable drip tray moves to fit your cup from an espresso to a big travel mug. I love that you can boost the flavor with the bowl button too. These helpful indicator lights flash when it's time to refill the removable water tank or descale any hard water buildup, so every cup of coffee is as fresh as the first. When you're done, cleanup is so easy. The inserts, drip tray, water tank, and lid are all dishwasher safe. Because it's so compact, it doesn't take up a ton of space on the counter, and it fits under most cabinets. Check out this secret compartment. The inserts store in the machine, and there's a spot in the back to wrap the cord. To help you get inspired, the coffee machine comes with a start guide with tons of recipes, tips, and ideas, including a few treats. If you're looking for a way to elevate your everyday coffee at home, the Deluxe Coffee Machine is for you. Happy brewing!